Did you know that 75% of people judge a company's credibility based on its website? In today's digital world, your online presence defines your success. We are Aryavrat Infotech, experts in crafting innovative web solutions for your business. With over 1.8 billion websites online today, having a custom, user-friendly, and responsive website is no longer optional. It's essential. From driving customer engagement to building trust, a well-developed website can transform how your audience interacts with your brand. At Aryavrat Infotech, we specialize in 1. Custom website development. Tailored websites designed to match your brand and business needs. 2. E-commerce web solutions. Creating secure, scalable, and user-friendly online stores. 3. Web applications and progressive web apps. Innovative solutions for faster, app-like experiences on the web. 4th, front-end and back-end development. Seamless user interfaces powered by robust back-end systems. 5. Responsive and mobile-first design. Ensuring your website looks stunning and works perfectly on every device. 6. Website maintenance and support. We're here to keep your site running smoothly, 24/7. We leverage the latest tools and frameworks to deliver cutting-edge solutions. Front-end, React.js, Angular, Vue.js, HTML5, CSS3. Backend, Node.js, Python, Laravel, PHP, Django. CMS, WordPress, Shopify, Magento. Database, MySQL, MongoDB. Here's what makes Aryavrat Infotech your trusted partner in web development. 1. 25 plus years of expertise. Our vast experience ensures we deliver the best solutions tailored to your business. Second, client-centric approach. Every project is unique, and we focus on understanding your goals to deliver value-driven results. 3. Cutting-edge innovation. We stay ahead of trends to craft future-ready websites and web applications. 4. Timely delivery. We prioritize deadlines to keep your business moving forward without delays. Our work speaks for itself. From startups to enterprises, we've partnered with businesses across industries to create impactful web solutions. Ready to take your business to the next level? Let Aryavrat Infotech build the perfect website for your brand.